Hi, welcome to Mitch's World of Woods, brought to you by Surrey Timbers Limited, suppliers of local and exotic hardwoods. Bubinga, guibourtia, demeusei, also known as African Rosewood and Kevasingo. Bubinga is a hardwood found in equatorial Africa. Mature trees can reach up to 45 metres with a breast height diameter of up to 2 metres. The timber usually has straight or interlocked grain with a medium to coarse even texture. Heartwood is streaked, light to dark brown, sapwood is pale wheat in colour. Bark is light grey brown and rough. Leaves are short accumulate and mid-green. It has high crushing strength and impact resistance, moderate bending strength and stiffness, is poor in steam bending, dries easily but gum does ooze out. It has good dimensional stability in service, is fairly durable, and the sapwood is preservative permeable. Specific gravity averages 0.88. Bubinga is easy to work with hand or machine tools, has a moderate blunting effect, chops and bores well, nails and screws do require pre-boring, stains and polishes well, natural oils should be removed from glue surfaces. Decorative veneers are used for cabinets and panelling, solids are used for furniture, tool handles and turnery. As of March 2018, Bubinga is in the CITES list, but not on the IUCN Red list.
If you like it, share it, and why not follow me on Patreon and other social media. Cheerio! Can you help me build my world of woods? If you've got a sample of wood which isn't commonly imported or sold in the UK that you can let me have, it'd be great to hear from you.